What's up, my Power Up friends? Welcome back to Power Up with Kami. Today we're going to make a delicious low-carb dessert that your entire family will love. What are we making, Evan?
We're gonna make a chocolatey fudgy brownie.
Oh man, and it's so good. The ingredients that you're going to need are right here. You're going to need 4 eggs, 2 small avocados, a half a cup of cacao powder. You're also going to need 2 tablespoons of stevia. You can put in a little more if you like it sweeter, but I found that 2 tablespoons is exactly right for us. 4 tablespoons of melted butter, also 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And we're just going to blend it all together right in here. And when it's all nicely blended, we're going to pour it into a container. I'm just going to spray a little bit of avocado oil in here. And then when we pour our mixture in here, these chocolate chips are going to go on top. Let's get started.
We're gonna pour in 4 eggs, 2 small avocados, half a cup of cacao powder, tablespoons of stevia, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
And now we're just going to blend this all together. So I blended this on the dough setting, and after I did that, the consistency is amazing. It almost looks like chocolate pudding. Look at that. And it smells so good. So now we're going to pour all of this into this container that I put a little bit of avocado oil in, and then we're going to put the chocolate chips on top. Okay, so I'm just smoothing it out so it's the same thickness throughout, and then Evan's gonna put the chocolate chips on top. Share the chocolate chip love all around. My brownie mix is ready for the oven. I'm gonna put it in the oven at 350 for 35 minutes.
When I taste that brownie, if I run around the house, that means great job. Congratulations.
I just took this brownie out of the oven and it smells so amazing and it looks so beautiful. I knew that it was ready because when I stuck this toothpick in, see, it comes out nice and clean, and it was exactly 30 minutes at 350. So now we're gonna cut into it and taste it and show you the texture. It's to die for. All right, guys, so I've cut these up and put them on this plate for presentation purposes. And now I want to show you the texture. Take a look. Oh my goodness gracious. It doesn't get any fudgier, chocolatier. Ready for the taste test?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it, Evan. Was it seriously that good, Evan? Okay, so I'm gonna give it a taste test now. Let's see. I want to run around the house too.
No, Mom.
It's amazing! Guys, the best low-carb brownie that you have ever tasted. All right, camera lady, what do you think, camera lady?
Pretty good.
Evan, are you eating all the brownies over there with your chopsticks?
Yeah.
All right, guys, you heard it from the kids. It's delicious. You got to give this a shot. All right, my Power Up friends, that's it for this video. For more recipes like this one that are low carb, keto friendly, super delicious, and extremely easy to make, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell icon so you're notified every time I upload a video, and share this video and my channel with friends and family who you know have embarked on a healthy eating journey. Also, check out my merch store down below and support my channel by purchasing any of the items there that you may like. Bye until next time.